Hey guys, so alright, so she needs to go to the bathroom. So while she does that, she's gonna do a quick pre-trip on the truck already. I already did one pre-trip, but I'm just gonna walk around a little bit while she goes to the bathroom. I'm gonna take a look at everything. Layla. So while she gets a little bit of exercise, we kind of take a look at what's going on over here. So I got like 30,000 pounds on this trailer, and that's it. All that's still looking good. Seal still on it. Will the lights work? Oh, that's kind of ugly. Looks fine though. Brakes are good. It all looks good. So, you know, this is part of trucking, you know? I've been driving all night. Kind of. I pulled over a few times. I was kind of tired. But didn't put my jacket on. As you can see, it's 37 degrees outside. I call this waking up. And I'm not waking up, it's just figure of speech. Sometimes the cold air feels nice, you know? Layla. Good girl. Go potty. Go potty. She has to find the perfect spot. Go potty, Layla. Go potty. All right, she's done. So that guy is going to be a little bit of a problem for me, but we'll make it work. Navigation. So Kentucky's our fuel stop. It's still 640 miles. Kind of zoom out a little bit, see where we started at and where we kind of are right now. So, still a long ways to go. I will be doing a computer, you know, teaching thing. Probably later on today. I don't know. There's a lot of videos I need to try to do. I just haven't been able to do them yet. So this guy really kind of pulled too far forward. So I got to really swing out, hug this guardrail. And you saw how I took my nose out. Yeah, we're gonna clear. But he kind of pulled way out, so did the same thing with this guy here. But he's on the inside of that curb, so it doesn't matter all that much. So you can see, I've been driving for a little bit. I just got done with the 34 hours, so I got a full 70. And there's nobody there. All right. of been thinking about starting a new series called Let's Talk, or Talk About, and then Subject. There's a lot of subjects that I love to talk about, even more so to debate. The one problem I have, though, trying to have a good debate with yourself is kind of hard. So I might try to look at ways that I could talk with some of my subscribers, or maybe other YouTubers or whatever, and have an open discussion or an open debate. I think that'd be a lot of fun. I also want to try to do some business type videos, as I have a lot of business things I'm going to be working on, or I have been working on, but some of it I'm ready to start showing you guys. So yeah, there's some stuff there. I need to get my taxes done. I off put yesterday saying I paid like $15,000 in taxes. It's more than that. I ended up going back and I looked and I was like, holy crap, I paid a lot more than what I thought. I have zero idea how much I'm going to get back. But I do have some tax credits that I can use from my business and my YouTube channel. You know, like all the equipment I've had to buy. So, you know, I'm going to get a decent return check, which is going to help, you know, allow me to reinvest into my own business and my own plans. Kind of still looking around for some property. Kind of been not very aggressive with some of that, though. I just kind of, you know, looking to see what's out there. I did have a real estate agent that was helping-ish, but I guess they stopped trying to work with me because I wasn't buying quick enough. I don't know. So I don't have a real estate agent right now, but you know, I'm still watching the property values, seeing what happens out there. You know, see, this is the one thing I like about doing live videos, though. You guys come out with some great questions. Now, a lot of that's, you know, trucking oriented, which I completely understand. Now, my channel's been doing a lot about trucking, and I'd like to try to change some of that somewhat. You know, I love to watch Smarter Every Day, Cody's Lab, Applied Science, you know, mathematics, science, 3 brown, or 1 brown, 3 blue, or 3 blue, 1 brown, something like that. You know, I love science, mathematics, and all that, and that's kind of like where I'm saying the new series, you know, Let's Talk, and then, you know, kind of work out a subject. Just don't know if I could do like all the diagrams and everything, because when it comes to Photoshop, I'm not very good at that, and when it comes to art, I'm not very good at that. Might try to work in some pictures, but I don't know. It would be kind of interesting, something different. I just know that I got a couple more years that I said I was going to do trucking before I get out. So there's going to be a few years where in the next few years there's going to be a lot of things going on. So I think it's going to be pretty cool, pretty fun. A lot of changes. So this is going to be kind of like a drive along, I guess. General conversation. There's a guy up in Groveport, Ohio, that I'm going to try to meet up with while I'm up there. He is actually going to be one of my students. March, I believe it is. February, March. Yeah, March. He's going to be going to school here beginning of next month, and that'll make him ready for March. And he'll be on my truck. Still don't have anybody for February. Not yet anyways. I don't know what I'm going to do about that right this second. Right now I'm not overly worried about it. And then I believe it's April, but I got somebody talking to me about April. I got to check to make sure it's April. I don't want to give the wrong month. I did that in a live video feed. I thought it was March that was free, and it wasn't. That created a little bit of confusion. I don't know what else to really talk about. But look at that view. Oh, I didn't do the GoPro yet. I will do that today. I know I've said that. I will do that today. Anyway, I think I'll just call that the end of this video. I mean, I don't want to have it too lame. It is what it is, right? So thank you for watching. Please comment, like, rate, and subscribe. And the chance of this video actually being uploaded is probably not very likely. We will see. Thank you and have a good one.